Currently I'm near the paddy field, so I've come here to enjoy the beauty. And it was amazing place because now it is windy weather and very beautiful. And now if you look at the paddy field, it looks like a river. So I've come here to enjoy the beauty, and I've thought that I can make a video. So last 3 or 4 days it was heavy raining in my city Borishal. That's why the water level has risen. And what can I say, that it was heavy raining and with a storm, I mean with windy, lots of people has been suffered because of this natural disaster, cause they have lost their house because of this water. And you can notice that it was really a horrible situation. It was a paddy field, now it's turned into a river cause because of this type of weather. And yeah, I've come here to practice English because you know that I'm an English learner, so I'm trying to making video cause improving my speaking. So I am saying something about my village, about the paddy field, and about last 2 days raining. So yeah, you can watch the beauty of my village, and you can notice that it was really windy now currently. And I want to say to you that this type of weather, or what you can see in front of you, you can make a video to improve your speaking English, because it can help you to think about this type of weather. It can help you to improve your vocabulary. And if you make this type of video, it can improve your fluency. So yeah, I am trying to making video about this type of weather, but I know that I'm not a good speaker in English. So yeah, if you like this type of video, and if you want a more video like this, you can subscribe to my channel.